Outside now with a look at downtown Chattanooga from the Edwin Hotel. A noticeably cooler day today, but we're looking ahead to Tuesday and Wednesday, David.
Yeah, you're going to need the umbrella and be ready for excessive runoff and potential for flash flooding. A big change what we've seen from most of the season as we spend most of the winter in a drought situation. And we're going to have this heavy rain moving in for tomorrow, Wednesday, then another potential round on Saturday. So a lot to watch over the next several days. Clouds are moving in. As Kim mentioned, it's a lot cooler. 52 right now with a northerly breeze at 14, producing a bit more of a wind chill out there. And some areas are already down to the 40s now. We're just below the average high for this time of year, but compared to last week, it was so warm. This is more like how it should feel for the early to mid stage of February. And compared to yesterday at this time, we're running several degrees lower as that northeasterly breeze kicks in. So again, the big concern is a chance for some heavy downpours of rain. We'll see a first round tomorrow afternoon and evening, a little bit of a break late tomorrow night, and then with the ground saturated, another potential round of heavy rain Wednesday night. And overall, that first round could provide us 3 to 4 inches worth of rain area wide. It'll be, uneven locally, but enough to provide that flooding potential. And once the ground is even more saturated, heavy rain could return on Saturday. So we're already putting that at weather alert because of that potential. Now, there's already flood watches hoisted for a large part of our viewing area starting midday tomorrow, going all the way through Wednesday and through at least Thursday morning because of the flooding potential. There's nothing happening out there now. The live radar is mainly dry. It should stay that way really most of the night. Very late tonight, a few light showers start moving in. But again, nothing too heavy just yet. A little fog develops late tonight as well. Our main weather maker is still farther back here to the west. It'll gradually scoop up more Gulf moisture and just go stationary across a large part of the southeast. And because that front's going to be parked there, it's going to pump in a lot of Gulf moisture. To the north, they're bracing for a lot of winter weather just north of the Tennessee state line into portions of Kentucky. But for us, it's all rain. This goes through early tomorrow morning. Clouds, fog early. Nothing heavy yet to start the day. Temperatures in the 40s, a little bit of light showers to start the day. Once we get toward late morning, say lunchtime into the afternoon, well, that's where the rain really starts to pick up. Yellow, orange at this point, not indicating big storms. Instead, heavy downpours of rain. And these off and on periods of rain will continue tomorrow. Both a rainy, breezy, and chilly day. Temperatures start mainly in the 40s. This first round, bit of a break late tomorrow night. But then more rain starts to arrive on Wednesday, coming in from the south and west, off and on periods of rain. And again, could have some surge of heavy rain occurring late Wednesday night. A few embedded storms as well. Temperatures 40s to around 50. That round finally moves out early Thursday, and the rest of Thursday and Friday look a lot drier. But as soon as we get to the weekend, again, Friday and Thursday both look dry. But by Saturday, rain starts coming back. So it's just a brief respite as rain could come back during the day Saturday. Some of that could be heavy Saturday night before ending on early Sunday. So if we track the rain gauge, this takes us over the next 48 hours between now and during the day on Wednesday. We're looking at just through Wednesday afternoon, a 2 to 4 inch swath. This is not including the rain that'll fall Wednesday evening. So again, we're looking at sort of a 3-4 inches max across our viewing area just for that first round. These 7-day rainfall totals, some of the longer range models through next Monday, put us in that 5 to 6 inch range. That's a lot of rain in a short period of time falling on already saturated ground. The reason why there's concerns for flooding. So tomorrow, this all gets started. Cloudy and foggy to start with. Periods of rain becoming more widespread through midday and especially through late day. Breezy with some of that heavy rain. Temperatures stuck in the 40s throughout the day. Heavy rain again on Wednesday. A brief break Thursday, Friday. That next round of heavy rain Saturday night. And then drier and much colder by this time next Monday.
All right, David.